Hi, my name's Ruben Mirabat, and today we're doing my bike check to show you what I ride and what I enjoy about it. First off, we ride a Fiend Reynolds frame V2, by far the best frame I've rode. Ride a 21-inch top tube, feels nice and mellow, and feels nice for doing tricks and such. Makes me feel more confident when I'm doing down ledges and spins. There's more there to keep under me. Ride a 13-inch chainstay, slammed all the way in. Help with spins, help with manual. Feels nice and comfortable. I ride 170 Clack Spire cranks. Nice and comfy, good for crank flips, good for center of balance, like 360s and stuff. And Odyssey pedals, Odyssey Pro Twists to go with them. Beautiful Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket, 25 tooth bash guard because I like sprocket grinds, and saves me from breaking my sprocket. As you can tell, I don't have Reynolds stickers on it. I ride Morrow stickers on here because my own little fancy idea. We'll move on from there. For my front end, I'm riding some Kink Eagle bars, 9 rise. With an Odyssey Brock stem on there, feeling reinforced, extra chunky, extra solid. Fits like a gem, and gives me that nice little space to make the bike feel a little bit longer. On the forks, I'm riding Iclac Coda forks. Stevie Churchill Signatures, 26mm offset. They help with hang fives and help do little nose manuals and pivots. Keeps the geometry evened out as well, so it feels like a 20.75 bike. Rides like any other bike. Feels comfortable, easy to get comfy on. Nice to ride. Got the comfort for my hands. I'm riding Primo Cali grips in green. On the headset terms of things, I'm riding a Shadow Conspiracy headset with a few spaces in there because I may be short, maybe like a good 5'7", but I like my bars to be a little bit higher than usual. Other than that, we go down to the seat, just riding a casual stock Devil seat post with a Rock Rayford cordial seat. Moving down to wheels and pegs, I ride a Odyssey Quattro front hub female on a G-Sport rim. For the back wheel, I am riding a Cinema FX2 Reynolds coaster on Reynolds rim. And I've got my Odyssey Pathway tyres, Pathway Pros and 2 4s. Small 55 psi, and yeah, just feels nice to ride. Pegs, I ride Primo Dune plastics. This is what I ride, and by far this is the best thing I've ever rode. I cannot be any more thankful to one brand and one brand only. Thank you a lot to Fiend, Garrett Reynolds and all that, for supporting me a lot on Instagram. Yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.